What is happening, guys? It is Sunday and we are at the Hack and Pack Shop, also known as Pisser Hill, also known as my house. So today, 2009 Ford Crown Victoria. This one's a police interceptor, but it doesn't matter. Crown Vics, Grand Marquis, any of these things. So the video's going to cover it. So we were out there in that field way out yonder last night with this old bad boy, freaking whipping out some donuts, freaking drifting her a little bit, having a good old time. And all of a sudden I came flying around a corner and this thing just quit. It died. Just like I shut the key off. And I was like, well, what the heck's going on? Cranked it, it'd start, die. Cranked it, start, die. Immediately. Run 1 second, die. I'm like, what the frick is going on here? So I got out, just kind of tapped on the relays here in the fuse box. Nothing. Unhooked the battery for a second, rehooked the battery up, nothing. Doing the same thing over. I'm like, ugh. So finally it did get the thing to start. It ran awful, and I got it up to right where you see it parked right now. From way down there at that tree line. Tried starting it again, same thing. Start, quit, start, quit. I'm like, ugh, what's going on here? And I started thinking about it. I'm like, I've run into this before. So on these cars, you got your mass airflow sensor, which is right there. We're out driving around in this field. I mean, debris blowing into the engine compartment and whatnot, but it does have the air filter housing, everything's still intact on it. And I'm like, let me just unhook this mass airflow sensor and see if this thing will start. I unhooked it. It started. I was like, perfect. So I popped the cover off here, just like this. Looked down in there at that mass airflow sensor, and there was just a little teeny bit, like a little piece of a weed in that thing. Don't ask me how it got in there, but it got in there. Freaking blew it, just real quick. Plugged it back in, fired it up, it's running perfect. Little tidbit for you. Alright? Don't pick on this thing. This is our official Pisser Hill police car. This was traded in. Now I didn't put all this blue crap on it. Look at that. Purrs. Red lights and everything work on this thing. Look at that. Huh? Pisser Hill police car. I have no clue what it's got for miles on it. The odometer does not read. I think I paid $300 for this car. The box on the trunk, so we did a 4th of July fireworks display here, and I actually found that box on the trunk, and we had a couple fireworks packs stuck in here. Driving up the driveway, just freaking lighting them up. And then we started a real display. Oh yeah. This is one of them in the driveway quick camo spray can jobs. The controller and the light bar is off of that black 909 Crown Vic. This was a fully equipped police car when I bought it. It came from the Seneca County Sheriff's Office up here in New York State. I also have this other 09 with 90,000. This one's got 122 on it. This one's got 90 on it. This one also bought, fully equipped, brand new Code 3 light bar on it. Probably gonna sell this car. It needs a little bit of repair on those fenders. Nothing huge. But other than that, there's no rust on it. It's a clean car. Look at that, brand new Code 3 light bar. It was literally on this car a few months before I ended up with it. Alright, so there you go. There's today's little Sunday video for you real quick. Little quick fix. Thing stalls, quits, or starts, quits, starts, quits. Try that mass airflow sensor first. Unplug it. See if it'll fire up. If it fires up, then you got a problem with that. Might just need to be cleaned. Might just need to be replaced. There you go. Right there. Easy to find. Y'all have a goody-goody. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Labor Day off.